Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Redis persistence settings safely, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by backing up your current Redis configuration file. Locate your Redis configuration file, usually named redis.conf. Open the configuration file in a text editor of your choice. Identify the section related to persistence settings. Review the current persistence mode. Redis offers two primary persistence options, RDB and AOF. Choose the persistence mode that best fits your application needs. To modify RDB settings, locate the save directive. Adjust the save intervals to balance performance and data safety. For AOF settings, find the append-only directive. Enable append-only file mode by setting append-only to yes. Select the append FSINC policy that suits your use case. Options include always, every sec, or no. Ensure that your changes align with your data durability requirements. Keep in mind that more frequent syncing may impact performance. Once you've made your changes, save the configuration file. Next, restart your Redis server to apply the new settings. You can do this by using system service commands or Redis CLI. After restarting, verify that the new settings are active. Use the Redis CLI by executing the info command. Check the persistence section for confirmation of your updates. It's essential to monitor Redis performance after making these changes. Adjust settings if necessary based on usage patterns and requirements. Document your changes and rationale for future reference. Regularly review and update your Redis settings as your application evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.